Thank you for coming tonight. If everyone could get their seats, that would be great. Welcome to the Azure Government, Microsoft Azure Government DC User Group. This is, I lost count. How many are we in?
We are well past the first year mark.
Yes, there we go. And we're at 1,200 members in our community, so thanks for coming out on an August night right before Labor Day. And today we've got a jam-packed agenda. We're happy to have you. So we typically say why we're here. We're really here for you. And so if you want to volunteer or suggest any topics, please do so. And in form of introduction, my name is Karina Hami. I'm part of the Microsoft Azure Government Engineering team based in DC. I started this user group with Vishwas with the intent of having a place where we could learn, exchange ideas in kind of a non-sales environment and really look for new opportunities to innovate government. So with that, we're just going to go straight into today's agenda and what we're looking to do.
Yeah, thank you, Karina. You know, I was explaining to Karina just talked about why we are here. I was just explaining to someone, a new speaker today. He was asking me, "Oh, should I be going into code? Should I just be debugging my application?" I said, "Not quite. What we're trying to do here is, to spark new ideas about what you can do with the cloud and the mobile backend and all of those things, right?" And with that in mind, we have a full agenda here. I would say an ambitious agenda. So I just wanted to give you a quick, milestones in our agenda so that, hold on to your seat belts because, the agenda goes by, the content is going to go by quickly. So we have 4 sections essentially. Jason and I will talk a little bit about app service.
Start with what it is. Accelerate.
Yes, yeah. So thank you. So, our agenda today, of course, is how can we accelerate the development and deployment of citizen services through the use of cloud and mobile. That's our theme. And our agenda is really broken up into 4 parts. I'll start out with a very simple introduction of a core service that we think enables a lot of these citizen services, namely the app service. And to make it interesting, we have an Alexa skill demo. So that will be followed by, since I'll be talking about app service and mobile backend, we'll also talk about, building of cross-platform applications using Xamarin. That will be our item number 2. Then we have Tom coming up, and he's going to talk about, some of the code analysis tools as they apply and the standards as they apply to mobile development. Very interesting work that has been done with NIST and others. And then finally, last but not the least by any means, is Doug's coming up and talking about a very interesting demo that combines cognitive services, IoT, in the realm of citizen services. So that's our agenda.
So just a reminder, we are live streaming, and everything we have today will be on YouTube later. So if you want to network, please network somewhere else. Otherwise, your conversations will be recorded and on YouTube. So with that, we just wanted to highlight some key announcemements. We had Azure Monitor, generally available, and then Azure Backup in the US DoD region. We're also at CJIS. We've actually now 60% of the US, we have CJIS compliance. And then we have these amazing training resources available to anyone who wants to. And so look at our Azure Government blog, subscribe, and then you'll see the training that's available to you right now in the Washington, D.C. area, but we also are covering different cities like Chicago or San Diego or whatnot. So check it out, and please sign up if you're interested. And then with that, I just wanted to highlight some key events coming up. Ignite in Orlando, that's September 25th. And then we have the meetup last Wednesday, typically of every month, so September 27th. And then a hackathon, October 3rd and 4th, and that's in Washington, D.C. Then we have, Microsoft has our Government Cloud Forum. This is our big event for government on October 17th. And this really opens up Cyber Week that we're participating in with CyberScoop, and that's October 18th, Cyber Talks. And then a meetup following that, and we're having Mark Russinovich as a key speaker at Cyber Talks, and then he'll be at this meetup. He's the CTO of Microsoft Azure. So we'll have a really robust meetup then as well. So hope that you can join us, and if you are on social media, it's #AzureGovMeetup. So with that, let's start our agenda.